we're back again.
Oh,
the miners.
so we were at what,
but we didn't get it.
40 something? Or
Yeah, so I put some, 3, 4, whatever.
Right, just got it again.
So we just got the balls, not too far. You know, we got a couple of good line hits, like $10 and $20. So let's see what happens. Got a $7.50 ball, $12.50, $12.50, 20. Yeah.
25,
All right, let's see what happens. 10-cent denom. Here we go. Okay, I'll take. Hey, I don't care. $2.50 at a time. If it fills it up. Oh, I heard all that noise. $2.50. That's okay. These are small balls, but I saw the major go by. Major, you can stop. Ooh, $5. I'll take it. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. All right. I know. Just fill it up. Oh, $7.50. Fill it up.
Ran on the first night of the trip.
That would be freaking awesome. Oh, nice. Keep going. Oh, nice. Nice. Two more. Come on, baby. Let's, ooh, can we do it? Can we do it? Come on. Come on. That would be flipping awesome. Okay, come on. Just throw a ball in there. But you know what? That's okay. I was going to say throw a number, but that is a number. Don't say that. Throw a ball. All right. Let's see what we got. All right, nice. We'll take it. Shoot, $85. 80 or $80.
But you're back 370.
No, here's my ball. All right, I just got the bonus hold and spin, so here we go. Come on. All right, come on, let's go. We gotta get some more balls. Oh, nice, $12.50. Oh, I saw the $50 ball go by. $5. I'll take that. Just keep going. Oh, $2.50. Nice. $2.50. $5. Keep coming down. Oh, come on. You gotta be nice. Ooh, rescue. Eek. That wasn't too great, but you know what? That's okay. That's okay. I'm sorry.
All right, it's exactly 10:30 p.m. and we are back from.
It's been going downhill, folks.
Yeah, but we're trying. Okay, but I just got a good screen. The mini, of course, is $100, $50 ball. Let's go. Come on. Let's fill it up. Oh, is it gonna give me any more? Oh, good. I'll take $2.50 at a time. Just fill it up. 10-cent denom.
Major.
Oh, yeah. I'll take whatever. I'm happy right now. So let's go a little bigger though. Oh, let's rescue. Oh, but no rescue. But you know what? All right, let's see what we get. It was 180.
150.
180, right?
180, 250.
I'm happy. Cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. Cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. Oh, sorry. Da-da-da-da-da.
Forgot my phone.
Oh, wait, go ahead.
I'm getting beating, but I just got a really good bonus. I got 6 spins with 200 wilds. So the first spin alone is already over $120. That's a $130 spin. I need a lot of wilds to line up. Oh, where is that? Line up. No line up there. $5 bet, dimes. 3 big spins with wilds. Oh my God! Come on, stack me up. Can I get one screen of full wilds, please?
That's all I gave you the first spin.
Come on, baby. No wilds.
Where's your 200 wilds? Oh, there it goes.
Got it.
Yeah, that's gonna be awesome.
All right, I got all 25 lines.
That's gonna be awesome.
With these are the two. This is the biggest symbol there, so this could be about a $400 hit, $500 hit.
I don't know about that.
Look at it fly though.
Wow, you're at 200. Oh, you needed that, babe.
That's. Come on, baby. 350, 60, 70, over 400 already so far.
Oh, this is your last spin too.
My last spin.
Wow.
So every line with the cat is $30 a line.
Okay, I'm gonna cash out again.
$500 bonus is still counting.
Wow. Wow. That's freaking awesome.
Holy cow! This could be really.
$300.
This could be really big.
I need to go pay some kind of bill.
$650.
$700.
$700.
And I've got $300.
Okay, I'm gonna put it back on the. Okay.
All right.
We played pretty hard tonight. We were gonna go to bed to get up early. We got massages tomorrow, but we put in our last of our trip money, and now we have $1,000 again. So,
Okay.
saying there's a chance. Love you guys. See ya. Bye.
All right.